Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffle rolls. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, 2 large eggs, and half a cup of melted butter. Begin by melting the butter and setting it aside to cool. In a separate bowl, combine your dry ingredients thoroughly before moving to the next step. Now, gently whisk the cooled melted butter and eggs into your dry ingredients until a smooth, lump-free batter forms. Be careful not to overmix. Next, preheat your waffle cone maker or pizzelle iron to its optimal temperature. Once hot, pour approximately 2 tablespoons of batter onto the center of the iron, ensuring even distribution. Cook each waffle for 60 to 90 seconds, until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and becomes crisp. This step is crucial for perfect texture. Immediately after removing it from the iron, while still hot and pliable, quickly roll the waffle around a cone mold or a dowel. Allow the rolled waffles to cool completely on a wire rack to maintain their shape and crispness. Once your delicious waffle rolls are fully cooled, they are ready to be filled with your favorite treats. Consider whipped cream, fresh berries, or a scoop of ice cream for a delightful dessert. Any leftover rolls can be stored in an airtight container to keep them crisp for a few days. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing deals, including those fantastic socks with a lifetime warranty and other great products.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.